Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to see there is something information related to web development. Why web development? How much you can earn? How to make career? Resources, everything in this video. So watch the video till end. Just make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos, and you can also check out a lot more videos. So coming to point is why web development. Like web development has been growing and increasing demand in this upcoming time, and in future also there have been a lot of scope and improvement you can see in web development, because every business need their web page or web application, and by a web application you can just go through it and search about the business and learn interesting thing about the business. So like every business want their page and identity, so everyone wanted to build their website. So you can see like any of an organization, they might be having a web page and all those things. So web development has been growing and increasing in demand, and it has been a highly payable job in the recent time. And like you can also do this web development as your freelancing work also, or you can work for an organization, or you can also build up your own startup for this web development team. Like depending on your situations and how you wanted to handle it and all those things. And if you are a college student, then web development must be highly recommended, and you should be doing it for learning something, and for your projects also you might be using web development or to learn something exciting stuff. So web development is highly necessary. You should be learning it, and how you must be learning it I'll be mentioning. So watch the video till end. Now we will be seeing there is a web development major aspects. Like what are the things? So by listening to the web development, like I live in terms that in web development there has been a front-end development, back-end development. It consists of two things. Like a front-end development, like if you have been visiting to any of a web application or website page, then you might be seeing that all the user icons and all things have been well arranged and like a nice user experience for that web page. So that everything designing and implementation would be done by a front-end developer. And what does the back-end developer? Like something you has been searching on it, or somewhat data, or like if you have been filling a form, then like filling of a form, then all the data would be taken and stored into some kind of a database. Like storing into the database would be done, and all the tasks related to back-end side, like how the data should be stored, how it should be kept protected. So everything has been done by backend engineer or backend developer. And in backend there have been different things also. So backend developer is also been such a great thing, and in backend also there will be major of things. So you'll be learning it, and how you'll be learning it I will be sharing you like free of resources and all those things. So in backend you can store the data, retrieve from it. So there have been a lot of things in backend also. And one more thing comes, that is a full stack developer. What do I mean by full stack? Like you have seen the front-end development and back-end development, combine these two, so it will be full stack. So in full stack you'll be also looking at a front-end part and a back-end part, and you'll be looking like overall aspect about a full complete project. So what are the web application or website you're building it from front-end to back-end, you'll be also responsible for it, and everything you only need to do. There will be no other person just helping you. So like this complete project has been built, so it is done by a full stack developer. So based on your interest and skills, you can be also front-end developer, back-end developer, or a full stack developer. And by learning of these things, you can also build some of the crazy or interesting projects also. And this by building this project, you can also upload on GitHub, that is open source, or you can also mention in on your resume, because when you have been looking for placement or internship, then your resume matters, and in your resume like you should have codes and a few of projects about a development side. So you can also mention them and get a good placement or internship. So how you need to learn? Let's look at it. You wanted to learn web development course, and like from where you'll be learning. So learning this web development course, I have one of my platform, that is Udemy. On this Udemy platform, you can learn a course very well, and like you can also learn each and everything. By learning on this platform, there have been few of projects also inbuilt. You need to do compulsory, and there have been certain tasks and challenges you need to do. Otherwise, what will be happen? You just must be watching a tutorials and sitting, and you'll be doing nothing. So on this Udemy platform you can do, and this course is just in a 3-digit number or 3-digit only, so you can purchase this course easily. Watch the video till end, and you can also get this course in free also. So first let's look out at the course. What are the curriculums have there, and are these interesting? Are these interesting to learn? Let's look at it. So like this course is been brought by Angela. It is an instructor, and she will be teaching you complete this project. complete course. So like in this course you will be learning a front-end development side. Here you can look down it that like complete there is been like how to set up like a application, like what are the extension you will be using, on which platform you will be doing a coding. Everything will be initially shown up in the videos also, and all the setup. So all the resources will be also mentioned. So it will be complete guide and much and easy and able to understand also. Like you will be getting all those things, and introduction to HTML. So like each and every videos are there, and like introduction to CSS and intermediate CSS, you will be looking on it. Then like certain challenges are also being mentioned, you can look here. Then like moving for that, like Bootstrap is also there. Like this is one of a framework where easily you will be able to understand all the CSS tags. You can do easily redefine. So how you can do everything is built there in a Bootstrap also. So one there is a section for web designing also that you can look down it. So everything how you need to mention user experience and a color theory and everything has been mentioned. So you can also do that. Then moving forward, that is coming to the part that is a JavaScript. Like all those things, variables have been mentioned. Then coding exercise has been also there. So everything has been there, so you can learn easily. And a few of the quizzes are also there, challenges are also there. So you will be able to learn the intermediate level. The document object modeling is also there. The advanced JavaScript has been also there. So few of an advanced concept related to JavaScript are also been there. So you can learn easily. Then jQuery also have been there. And then few of the challenges and games are there. Then coming to the backend web development, and in backend development what are the things and everything I've been mentioning here. First I'll be explaining about the topic that what is the backend development. Then few of our things related to API. Then important thing, there is a NodeJs has been also been completed, or it is one of a framework. And like this course is a highly focus on a one stack only, like one stack, and different stack have been there. I'll be also making one of a different video for this, that what are the different stack. This course is based on one stack. So like different ExpressJS with NodeJS. So everything has been there, how to install and everything. Then like few of concepts about API. Then Git GitHub and version console. So how you need to upload the projects, or how to keep your repository, how to pull from any repository, clone repository. So what are all those things contained about Git and GitHub will be explained here. Highly recommended to do this course. You'll be learning a lot of things. Then coming, that is a ExpressJS is been there, and a few of course and database. What do we mean by database, and difference between SQL and NoSQL. So everything will be mentioning here. Then MongoDB is also there. So like how you need to store data and everything. Then Mongoose is also there, like Mongoose and MongoDB. What are the difference between them? Everything like you will be showing here. And last, like a few of my projects are also be there. In this course there have been different projects also, like small project also, mini project also, and big projects are also there. So buying this course you will be also making projects so that you can upload and I mentioned in your LinkedIn also. There have been few of like authentication and security things also should be explaining you very well. Like you can see. Then finally React.js. React.js is like one of a framework and a highly recommended technology. It is highly used also. So all the web application now are built through React only. So you'll be learning that also. Then a few of concepts related to Web 3.0 is also been discussed here. So everything like how to create a Web 3.0 and everything have been discussed. So this course is been highly recommended. So once you complete this course and you have done each and everything about this course, then you will be also getting some certificate. And this certificate you can mention it on LinkedIn also and in your resume also. Like the complete 2023 Web Development Bootcamp course. So like this course you'll be getting in 449. Less than 500 rupees, or sometimes during a sales or discount you might be also able to get this same course in 300 rupees. So you can just spend 300 rupees and purchase this course, learn exciting stuff at a web development. If you're learning on a different like you must be also thinking to learn on YouTube, but in YouTube there must be ads and you will be getting distracted by other videos also. So on this platform you can learn easily, get certificate and video resume. So this was a complete information about that how you will be able to learn web development, and learning this web development is an important thing. So you can learn it, and if you want if you want your final resources on YouTube, you want to learn web development from YouTube, please comment it. So I will be making one video that what are the resources are available on YouTube, and from where you will be learning a web development course. I'll be making the video. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You can also watch our related videos here, and please find anything to stop here. See you in the next video. Till that time, keep chilling, keep learning.